In this video, I'll show you how to find and book the cheapest hotels with Skyscanner. Now guys, it's important to note that Skyscanner is not for booking hotels, it's a search engine. So what we're going to do is find the cheapest hotels. So let's click on hotels on the top here. And then we need to choose where we want to go. So I'm going to leave it on Cape Town. And then we need to set in our check-in and check-out dates, as well as choose our amount of people and rooms, and hit search. Now this is the part where we can adjust our pricing. Here on the left where it says view price as, we can change per night if we want to, but for pricing's sake, we're going to set it to 0 to 1,500. And then it's going to give us a few recommended options. Just to be safe, we can go to the top here and click on lowest prices. And now we know we're definitely looking at the lowest to highest pricing. So we can see here we've got a few options and they'll show you which website it's going to take you to. I don't really use Agoda, so we'll go with the booking.com option. And that's it. That's how you find the cheapest hotels using Skyscanner. And then you will of course do your booking on booking.com or Agoda or whatever other website you are taken to. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.